Okay, we've reached the point now where we can start working with our first XML file, and I'm going to do that here in Visual Studio Code. Now, again, if you're not using Visual Studio, that's fine. Your favorite text editor will work just fine. So here in VS Code, I'm going to open up the exercise files folder. And I'm going to click on chapter 3. And let's open first xmlfile.xml. And you can see that the contents are pretty much empty, except for the XML declaration. So let's add our first XML content. So I'll just write first tag. I'll close that off. I'll put some text in there. And I'll put in a comment. All right, so I'll save that. So we have a root tag, which is called first tag, and that's right there on line 3. And down there on line 6 is the closing tag. And inside the first tag element, I've got some text and I've got a comment. So now that we've modified the contents of our file, let's save and let's go out to the file system and see how this looks in the browser. So here in the file system, I'm inside the folder for chapter 3. I'm going to right click on this file and I'm going to open the file. And I'm going to open it in Chrome. And so you can see Chrome opens the file and says this XML file does not appear to have any style information associated with it. And then it just shows the document tree here in the window. So you can see Chrome is just simply showing the contents of the XML. So this is pretty straightforward. No styling information. It's just the raw XML data. All right, let's go back to the file system. And let's try the same thing with Firefox. And you can see pretty much the same story. So you get the same kind of message that there doesn't seem to be any style information, and it's just showing the document tree. So let's see if we can give our XML an appearance by associating some styling information with it. And that will be the focus of the next exercise.